Good morning and good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to cook very delicious fish tulingan with coconut milk. I put ginger, garlic, lemongrass or tanglad, onion, and also sugar. You need to try, guys. It's very delicious and super yummy. It's Philippine or Pinoy style recipe. Thank you, and we proceed for the next step. First, we are going to put a beef powder stock or fish powder, like 1 tablespoon, and also 2 tablespoons of sugar, white sugar or brown sugar, and thumb of ginger, and also 4 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic, and also lemongrass, fresh from my garden, or we call in the Philippines tanglad, and also 1/2 of onion, and 1/2 of medium tomato, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and coconut milk. I bought this in Walmart, guys. I put half coconut milk and the rest we leave later. We add later before cook. And also 1 cup of water total because I add up more. And then you have to simmer it until the fish is cooked. You need to try, guys. It's very delicious, and normally we eat this with rice, and we always cook this in province or our village. And also 1 tablespoon of vinegar. It's kind of sound like adobo with adobo fish, and then I put only the coconut milk or nyug. So I add more coconut milk. It's total, I put the coconut milk is 1 can of coconut milk. It's super yummy, guys, and you have to try it. Thank you so much. And also the soy sauce. It's like 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And thank you for visiting my channel, and to all my supporters, subscribers, silent viewers. Thank you so much for always. And also, as you can see, I have chili, green chili. I harvest from my garden. And then you have to simmer it again. And the chili, spicy chili, guys. The green chili is spicy also, and then add more like a red chili. So it's up to you if you want more, or if you don't like spicy, then this is only optional. And then you have to simmer it until it gets a little bit sticky, and make sure the fish is cooked. And also I add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. So thank you so much, mga idol. Subscribe, and please don't forget to push the notification bell, so every time I upload my video, you always updated. Thank you to all my co-YouTubers, silent viewers, to all my supporters. Thank you so much. I love you all. God bless. Now our fish is ready to serve, and we used to eat this with rice. You can eat this breakfast, lunch, and also dinner. It's up to you. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. And God bless and be safe. Good luck to all our co-YouTuber. Thank you. I really appreciate to visit my channel. Please leave comment likes if you like my video, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you all.